Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of another phone that we ordered from Lazada. As you can see, we have here the Oukitel. Basta yun. And this is the C17 Pro. Okay, as written here on the box, is a 6.35 HD IPS touchscreen phone. It works on the Android Pie na, no? It's a 4G, so LTE siya. Quad-core processor, MTK 6763, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal ROM. It's supposed to have a triple camera setup, ano? So the triple camera setup is a 13 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. Okay? Yung 13 megapixel niya, yung likod, okay, sorry about it. Tapos yung front niya is supposed to be a 5 megapixel camera. And it's a 3900 milliampere battery with a fingerprint scanner. Okay? So we're gonna open it now so that you can see. Actually, we opened it kanina. When Lazada delivered it earlier, I had to open it in front of them kasi the store from the Lazada messaged me that they think they sent me the wrong package, and I think it's the right package because it's saying C17 Pro, and that's what I ordered from Lazada. There's three colors, so it's supposed to be the red, the blue, and the black. What I got is the red. The case was already on the phone when I opened it. So yan, ang ganda. As you can see, it says here it has a 2 SIM cards. Okay, from what I understand, it uses the modified SIM tray. So that means you can either use 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano and 1 micro. Okay. Manual, and I assume the warranty certificate. Okay. Comes with the wall charger that I can't see kung ilan yung it's a 2 ampere charger. Okay. Comes with its own SIM pin. Okay. It's a Type C. I forgot to tell you that there's a Type C. And there's this thing. From what I understand, this is supposed to be for the headphone jack. And there's nothing else left. Okay. Let's go to the phone first. So it says it's this fingerprint scanner. So yan, nasa likod. We'll turn it on now. Okay, so it's turning on. We'll remove this. Okay. It doesn't say anywhere if the screen is scratch proof. Even in the description of the phone in Lazada, it doesn't say, no. Let me double check. Okay. It doesn't say, yes, it doesn't say anything about the display being scratch proof, so I assume that it's not. Okay, wala. Okay, so turning on, as you can see, the screen ratio is 6:19 by 5 by 9. Ang liit na lang nung ano, ayun yung camera. So I think this is gonna be very nice in terms of playing games because maliit lang yung ano, not like my Poco phone. Okay, this is almost as big as, I think it's bigger than the Poco phone. And it's slightly bigger. Okay, see? Yun lang yung ano niya, lamang niya. The phone, the power button and the volume buttons are all located on the right side, which I guess is standard now for all phones. Okay. Magaan siya. It's surprisingly lighter than the Poco phone. Okay. We'll skip the setup. We'll skip everything setup. Skip so that you can see exactly what's inside. There's 3 cameras in the back. Okay. So as I said, it's a Type C. I assume this one is so that you can use a headset. What happens is, like the iPhone, diba? You need the adapter. So you put it here, and this is where you plug in your headset. Okay. Well, I would just suggest you use a 3.5 Okay, Bluetooth headset. Okay, here is the SIM tray. Gonna take it out. As I assumed, it's using a modified SIM tray, you know. Okay, so it's already on. Okay, you can change the desktop. Okay, yeah, okay. And there's it. So you can see what the inside of it is. We're gonna open the. Okay. Where's the storage? Okay. So 7.71 is used already for the camera, for the system, out of the 64. Tama, 64. Yep. Okay. So we're all gonna open up the camera. Where's the camera? So no, that's Duo. Okay. There's the camera. Okay. So settings. The biggest is 13 megapixel as mentioned there. Okay. So, mukha namang okay yung camera niya. The screen is also very crisp and clear. So, we're gonna test it soon. I'm gonna let you know what happens. I like the color, no? It's vibrant red. My only concern now is the screen because it doesn't say anything. But it looks like, just a smudge from the tape that we had. So, we're gonna keep this first. We're not gonna use it for the next couple of days until we're able to buy screen protector. So, take a good look at the Oukitel C17 Pro. I like it, ang gaan niya. So, we're gonna test it out in the next couple of days. By the way, this video is being taken using the Doogee S40, no? Yung waterproof phone that we bought a couple of days ago. We have the unboxing also here on the channel. So, here is the video sample. So, thanks guys! Bye!